Welcome to All About Hearing Tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to download the ReSound Smart 3D app on your iOS phone or your Android smartphone. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Go to your settings. Go to Connections. And turn your Bluetooth on. Now, go back to your home screen and find Google Play Store and click on that. Type in ReSound Smart 3D and you'll see it pop up as an option. Click on the option and then it will ask you to install. Once the app is installed, then press the open button. At this time, the ReSound Smart 3D app will open and give you a welcome screen